This conference will now be recorded.
This one, maintain posting characters. Okay, maintain posting characters. So here, go to this table. First, we verify all the wage types are there or not. We verified yesterday. All wage types are available in this table. Next, take that wage type. One by one, select it. Click on posting a wage type. Click on posting a wage type. Okay. So there are entries already there in the system. I'm deleting them. Go to new entries. 1C01, 1C00 is a symbolic code, right? What symbolic code do you have? 1C00 only. Now guys, look at this. Look at this and tell me this one, these two columns. Tell me what sign should I assign here?
Assemble, sir. Positive.
Your positive amounts in bit.
So in Excel file it says positive debit. Positive debit. So here we see positive debit. That's it. Okay. Similarly for 1A 02. Again, this is an Excel sheet. What is it? Positive debit. Choose positive debit. Don't think about it plus sign, negative sign, all these things. Okay. Look at the description and follow description. That's all. Plus means it's not a RT sign plus. It is just a posting sign. Okay. So select this. And 1C01. So like this, instead of maintaining this table like this one by one, guys, go to.
Sir, this plus sign is not for the RT sign in the wage type?
No.
Or okay, sir.
Okay. These entries are already there, right? Or else, what do? Take these entries in an Excel sheet itself. Syntax should be like this, and you have various types in an Excel sheet here. Okay. First, we step and description. Next, symbolic codes. Okay. Symbolic codes. Next, serial number. Next, posting sign.
Sir, this serial number can be 0 also?
Yes, it can be 0 also. So this is, I'm preparing the overall waste types with the symbolic code exactly like a table format. Okay, exactly like a table format. Okay, now posting sign. See, positive amount debit ante it is a plus symbol, right? Negative amount credit anna plus symbol. Look at the posting sign. Positive plus means what? Positive amount debit, negative amount credit. Minus means what? Positive amount credit, negative amount debit, right? So you prepare the posting sign accordingly here. Negative amount credit, it's a plus symbol. This is positive amount debit side plus symbol. This is positive amount credit side. Then what symbol? Posting symbol minus, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in a retro, this if it is a positive amount to the employee slash 551. 1 minute. See what is slash 551. For example, in January, employee basic pay 10,000. Rajnish, keep yourself in mute. In January, employee basic pay 10,000, net pay 10,000. Now, Jan in Feb, that means it went retro. The basic pay 10,000, so basic pay increased to 12,000. Net pay will be, it will remain same, but the difference amount 2,000 taken into slash 551. Okay, into slash 551. In RT, it is always with a negative sign. Okay, negative sign. So in Feb, we have slash 552, which is 2,000. Net pay will be 14,000, because it is bringing the difference, retro difference, brought forward to the current period. Okay, now look at this and tell me, what is this 2,000? Is it a net pay or not? Net pay difference or not? In retro. So no guys?
Sir, sir, just confusion, sir. In January, sir, Jan in Feb, this 2,000 rupees should be positive, no, sir?
No.
Or kindly correct me if I am wrong, sir.
In DT table, you will see a plus symbol /551. In RT table, it is minus symbol. It is given for the posting purpose, not for
Okay, sir.
valuation. Okay. For correcting the posting sign, they have given it as a negative sign. It is just a one. But if you see it as a negative sign in RT table, it is going to be a positive value for the employee in the next month. If you see a negative value here, positive value here, then it's going to be a recovery from the employee here in the next month. So the question is, this is a net pay difference. Which side it has to be posted? Net pay should be posted which side?
Sir, positive in credit.
No. I'm asking net salary should be posted which side?
Sir, credit side.
You guys remember those 4 formulas, okay? If you don't remember that 4 formulas I told you, it will not work. What are the 4 formulas? Tell me. Anyone?
Sir, employee earnings goes on debit side, or net pay will go on credit side. Employee contributions will go on both sides.
Okay.
Sir, 1.8 remaining.
Sir, and deductions will go on credit, right?
When I say it is important, I expect the answer exactly the way I explained to you.
Yes, sir.
Net pay should be credit side. This is what negative amount. Negative amount should be credit side. So negative amount credit side, positive amount debit side with sign plus sign only. Okay. So the sign of this way step is plus, which means what? Negative amount credit, positive amount debit. If it is a positive, it is like a payment to the employee. If it is a negative amount, it is a credit to the. So here, what is this? This is like a earning, positive amount debit side in the next month, negative amount credit side deduction. If it is a positive amount, it is a payment. If it is a negative amount, it's a credit. So it's a positive amount. So positive amount debit side, same symbol. And all these are net salary waste types. These 3, credit, credit, positive credit. So minus. Technical wastage posting is like this. And 565 is also a net pay credit. 566 is a payment for to the employee in the next month. So positive debit. Okay. This is like a payment to the employee. 561 also payment to the employee. You do not have to change the sign of these waste types, guys. It is already there in the system. Okay. Maybe you can exclude this waste type from this table. Now 563 is the recovery deduction, and it's a positive sign. So deduction credit side. So positive credit, then it is okay. Dental expense, expense account will be debited, balance sheet account will be credited, positive credit. Okay, this one expense account will be debited, sorry, it's plus symbol, It's minus symbol here, and so is this plus symbol, minus symbol. So once you prepare this, put it in this way, same format. Okay, see this. How can we maintain it? How can we maintain these entries? So let me delete them from here.
Sir, what is the table number, sir?
1 minute, let me show you. V underscore, same table in a asymptotic navigation path you want to write V underscore T52 EL underscore COMP. Okay, this is the table number. So
Sorry,
1T01.
sorry, in EL there's one by one entries come. In count with all entire entry will come at the same. Is it, sir?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, sir.
So you can copy it like this, guys, directly. Copy it and paste it. If you prepare an Excel sheet with this, instead of going to one by one entries in IMG screen, use this one. Next, 2030 and 2010. Maybe we can simply change the symbolic codes instead of deleting them. The sign is already ready. Okay, already there. You just need to assign our symbolic codes. Where is the mouse? This is not working. Just give me a minute. All right.
Sir, whenever sir, this retro difference 551 is generated, so every time this claim is also generated in case recovery is there. 561.
You are going to learn those topics in your batch. If I explain you, you'll be confused. Five four one is a retro. 561 is not a retro.
Sir,
561 is a different scenario altogether.
okay, sir. Sir, yesterday there was a case actually, and user has already paid for January.
Where is the screenshot?
Sir, I sent you sir mail, sir, entire scenario, sir. Because it was not downloading in WhatsApp, sir. So the situation is that simple, sir. He has already paid of January 22 salary. Later on, he has separated the employee on 31st, sir. So system has created recovery in February, sir. So so some basic amounts component has been coming negatively, and this 551 generated in, and that will turn up into 552 in February, and 561 claim is also generated, but claim was not going to post, sir. So the amount is not getting posted. So that difference is coming, sir. So it is the same case, sir. Yesterday you are explaining about bit 561. I sent sir complete screenshots, three screenshots here. So how do we post sir this 561? Because that difference is coming.
Where did you send the screenshot?
Sir, last night sir, 1 o'clock sir. On this one SAP on which you shared that drive, no? This one mail ID sir. 1 second sir.
Sir, morning, Sirish here.
Sir,
Yeah, Suresh.
SAP payroll 0705 sir, on that mail ID sir. I shared sir it in PDF sir. So one day system is deducting and generating this, and all goes into expense account. And balance sheet account, it is getting clear sir. So posting difference is coming. Same amount of input type rate sir.
See, the claim is generated.
Claim is generated sir.
Wait.
Yes
Claim
sir.
is
Claim
generated,
is,
but the amount is not enough. Okay.
yes sir. Yes sir. Claim is generated sir. So
Because there is pending for that employee.
sir, come again. What is?
There is no earning for the deductions, right? The earning is not sufficient for the deductions. That's why claim is generated.
Okay, earning is insufficient. Oh yeah, sir. Because February he was not at all active, but it is coming in February month, because current month is February. So how do we post sir this 561 or the difference, so that posting? Okay sir. Okay.
Here, this is a posting sign.
Yes sir.
This is a 563 posting sign. Yeah. The 561 and 63 must be posted. If not, you will just get such a kind of errors.
Okay sir.
551 is retro. It is nowhere related to the claims.
Okay sir.
This is a different scenario. This is a different scenario. This will be generated when the current month, the gross is not enough for the deductions. Okay. The claim is generated. Negative net pay, instead of negative net pay, claim get generated. The same amount will be recorded from the employee salary in the next month. Now, this one is a retro. When the payroll is gone for retro, so the difference between previous net salary and the current net salary will be brought forward. So this waste type carries the amount in DT table. This waste type will settle the amount in the original table. Okay. Suresh, you are asking something?
Yes, sir. Hello. Sir, actually, we have for our client we have done the re-go live again, and this time we have started posting also. So we are here following the process. In that, I'd like to know like couple of points whether we are following the right process or not. So, sir, we have started doing the live payroll from the month of October 2021. First, we have asked them to do the live payroll for October, November, and December, sir, continuously. But for posting, we have to keep the control record in exit mode. Okay, sir. Yes, no. So, but in December month, keeping the control record in exit mode, coming back to this CIPET code. So we are selecting this other payroll period, and we are posting since October. That is correct, no, sir?
Yeah, correct.
And sir, in that we have for like couple of waste types. So there was some GL issue. So we left out those like 1 or 2 employees for that particular location for the month of October, and we have done the posting for the month of November. So in that month, actually we have to exclude that personal number which we have left out in October, sir, right? But without excluding that, we have done the posting, but after coming back, there was no issue during that time that issue has been resolved. So without reversing that posting document, I came back to October and I have done the posting for for that single employee. It has taken. So the posting is done.
Okay.
So I'd like to know whether can we do that or continuously we have to leave that employee until the problem has been resolved.
We need to resolve it. What is the issue in the posting? There is no issue which cannot be rectified in the posting.
No, done, sir. We got the solution. There was a issue from GL side, finance side. They have given us the proper GL and we have assigned.
No, it's
All
been
I am
posted.
asking, the everything's been posted. All I am asking is the process, whether we are following the correct process or not.
Generally, if one employee you are getting an error,
Hmm.
and if that same wage step is there for other employee, you should get the error for all other employees also.
Oh, yes, sir. But that single wage component, which is electricity charges deduction, so that component has been maintained for only one particular employee.
So you need to fix that and then only do the live posting at
Hmm.
once. Otherwise, which means they're not validating the posting balances versus the payments made to the employee. If that validation is done, you will see the differences.
Sir,
Right?
but when we do, for example, if we have 50 employees, we do the posting for 48 employees at once, and after example, there is issue with the 2 employees for the month of October. So after resolving those employees, we can do separately, no sir, posting for those 2 employees. That will hit the October. Hello?
Technically, it is possible. You can post those two employees separately. Okay.
Yes, sir. That is what
The
the.
issue is the validation. If they are
Mhm.
validating the amounts paid versus amounts accounted,
Mhm.
there will be differences, right?
Yes, sir. But uh, we give the date as that when posting date as October only, no sir. So the same GLs will be getting
No, wait.
the amount will be reflected in the same GL. So.
No, it's not like that. See,
Mhm.
there is the in accounting side for every posting period, there is
Mm.
something called closing date. Generally, for
Mm.
the month of January, for example, they close the books of accounts by 15th of February. So
Okay.
January, all postings must be done before 15th February.
Mm-hmm.
After 15th February, if you try to post it, it will give an error saying posting period is closed.
Okay.
Okay, and opening the
Mm.
posting period again for the January is configuration activity.
Okay.
Okay, so we must ensure all postings are completed before 15th of February. At the same time, February period, there is a
March.
closing date March 15th.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so before closing, you can correct and you can do the posting a number of times.
Okay. Fine. Because here all the periods were open, they kept it open.
They kept it open, so you are able to do it.
Yes,
If
sir.
they close it, generally in real time, once this is live, they
Mm.
clearly mention these posting dates, posting periods.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah.
Oh,
Sir, by which decode we can check, sir, posting period is closed or open, sir, for that month? Like January, you said.
You can go to GL accounts and posting accounts accounting section. Okay. There is
Okay,
a
sir.
table. I'll show you. So now you change this technical waste step accounts /551 7 558 9 and then 61 63 65 66. Fine. So I can copy from here and paste them here. And see the posting signs are exactly as we have configured. Okay, these technical waste type posting characters are already there in every country, in every country table, guys. You don't need to delete and create them again. Okay, only thing that you need to do is changing the symbolic code. Okay, changing a symbolic code. So these four are a net pay, right? Yes or no? If bank transfer is created, then 7 or 8 or 9 is created. If not, 6, 5 is created. So these four are net pay. Net pay has to be credited. Positive credit. Positive credit. Minus is a positive credit. Clear? Next. Claim is like a payment, advance payment to the employee. So when it is a payment, you are displaying in the payment section of the window. So it has to be posted like a payment. Positive debit. This is a deduction in the next month. The same claim generated in the current month will be recovered in the next month. So it is minus sign. Okay. Then 566 is also a payment to the employee in the next month. So it is like a payment, positive amount debit side. So this technical way steps will be there as it is with the correct posting signs. You don't have to change anything. Only change is this one. Okay. Next,
Sir,
employer contributions. Tell me.
sir, I have a question. So in the table, we 52EL underscore farm. If you want to download the data, should we just copy and paste that for 10, 20 line items at once, or can we download everything at once?
You can download everything. Go to
But
print and Excel sheet.
yes, sir, that was not. I have seen that, sir. I'm not able to do that actually. There was no option to get the print.
You have Excel sheet, right?
Yes, total.
Is it not opening?
No, sir. In my system, it was not opening. This I know, sir. This option in print preview. So should this be the setting we have to get it done from basis side, or
No, the setting will be there. If you go to SM30,
actually that was not working, sir, in my system. So that is why.
or this Excel sheets part is not working.
Yes, sir.
Download
It is showing. Hello.
until here it is a standard one only. You
Okay.
don't have to do
So there might be a issue from my side. Okay.
or else use this one local file.
Local file unconverted, right?
Hmm.
Okay. Fine.
Sir, for wage types 561, 563, 560, all 5 series wage types, there will be only one wage type for because it's a technical wage type, that will be the one. So if you are maintaining for the two companies, if you are maintaining two different symbolic codes, then we need to maintain this as a serial number 1 and 2, right, sir?
Why are you maintaining two symbolic codes? One symbolic code is enough for two company codes, right? We have PPMOD feature. That's what is
Okay.
the purpose of PPMOD, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Basic salary we are posting to two accounts. This also can be posted to two accounts. All
Okay.
next 2010 done employer contributions, right? 2317. So one balance and one expense. So we have created them. So employer contributions are posted both the sides. Next, this one 1C08. What did I change? Sorry. right. So we are done with the posting characters, okay? And we made a live run yesterday. Without making a live run, we cannot post amounts to the salary. Sorry, finance. So PC 00 underscore and M99. This is a global program. This is a global program for the posting. Remember the transaction code for the posting, okay? Or else go to any country payroll. Subsequent activities per payroll period, evaluation, posting to accounting. You have this. These 4 transaction codes are common, okay, in all the countries. So go to this document, go to this program, execute a posting run. You remember the employee number we maintained yesterday? This one. The way you are running a payroll, the same way you select this posting driver. If you are running off cycle run, then maintain off cycle data. Okay. Off cycle reason, not reason, off cycle type and the date. Okay, and the date. Now select output log. There are 3 variants here. Test run without document, which doesn't help us much. This one, test run with documents. First we do the test run until we resolve the issues. Once all issues are resolved, then only we can go for live posting. Okay, so go to test run with the documents. Next, according to pay period definition, when this is selected, then it search for the posting date. It search for the posting date. Like we have a pay date, we can have a posting date. Okay, where is this configured? Here you see maintain payroll period posting dates. Just below to the step, maintain payroll period posting dates. Generate posting dates. So this program is quite similar to the program we executed, right? Payroll driver pay periods program, but it is RPU CTP 20. 00 for pay periods, 10 for accumulation periods, 20 for the posting periods. Okay, let me see what is our payroll area. $65, $66. Okay, so I'm using 65 now. Based on the pay date, calculate the posting date. Calculate posting date. Based on the pay date, calculate posting date with the difference of 2 days. So this is the pay date. I'm giving a 2 days gap for the posting date. So when you choose this in the posting period, then it will take this 27th as a posting date, guys. It's 27th as a posting date according to period definition. Okay. When you choose this, the payment date itself is a posting date. The payment date itself is a posting date. The posting date determine in which accounting period the balance will be credited or debited. The posting date determines in which accounting period the balance is either credited or debited. Or if you want to give any other date manually, you can give. For example, 28/01/2021. Okay. Now run it. No documents created. Period is not other period. Okay, if you see green color here, the balance is correctly matching. Debit side and credit side. There is no difference in the amount. You will see all of them here. Okay, you will see all the amounts here. Which symbolic code and which wage type. Okay. Now for this, what is the difference between this symbolic code and this symbolic code? Do you notice anything? Hmm? Anyone?
Sir, balance account and expense account, it's showing.
Sir, it is first value showing in the positive and the balance sheet account is showing in the negative, sir.
Okay. Anything else? This amount is going to the cost center. This amount is not going to the cost center.
Why this, sir? Balance sheet account does not have cost centers. Balance sheet GL.
Is that an expense to the company?
No, sir.
Then it will not go to the cost center. Only the expense account goes to the cost centers.
Oh, sir.
Okay. So that's the difference. Now we have a incorrect status anyway. Okay. This is what we need to rectify. Now the point is, how do we rectify if any balance related errors are incorrect? For example, this one, take overtime payment. 1301. Instead of plus, if you maintain minus, what happens? So here onwards, I will show you all errors one by one and how to rectify those errors. Okay. I'm giving a minus sign here. So what happens? You will see the difference like this. How much difference? 961 difference. So first thing, this 961, check directly in the pay slip. Do we have it in the pay slip? Keep yourself in mute, guys, please. 961, do we have it in the pay slip directly? Okay, verify that. Which wage type contain that amount? Which wage type contain that amount? There is no amount. Then what you need to do? You need to divide this difference by 2. You need to divide this difference by 2. Okay. So generally when the amount which has to be debited, if it is credited, then you will see double time difference. Okay. Clear. So what you need to do is 961.6 divided by 2. You'll get 48. So you will see this waste type here. Now go to this waste type and verify the posting character of the waste type. It is supposed to be plus, but it is given as a minus. Okay. And if that way is difficult, what do you need to do? One by one, waste type we can validate properly posted or not. If the balance is tallied, then you get it in a green color. And you can see document overview, debited amount, credited amount in a single screen. Double click on document overview. Here you will see them. Total debited amounts are matching with the credited amounts. And we have errors. So we have to rectify all the errors. If you want to see all errors once, you can see them. See, here we have a blanks because it is not assigned to any GL account yet. So go to display all errors. Okay. Look at all errors. Let's rectify one by one. First one. No master cost center is possible for replacement. This message is there many times. How many times? Number of time equal to the number of expense accounts mapping. Those many times you'll get this message.
Yes,
No
sir.
master cost center is possible for the direct cost center. So you will see this message because master cost center is not assigned to the employee. Master cost center is not assigned to the employee.
So
Okay.
info type 1 cost center is missing.
Wait. Don't disturb me, please. So master cost center is not maintained to the employee. Now go to, that's why I hired employee intentionally without cost center. I told you. Okay. So here, now, what is the employee number? 95. Organization assignment. Choose cost center. Cost center does not exist. It is unable to find out. It is unable to find out cost center for posting. As I said, every expense account posted to the cost center first. Rotate through the cost center. Every expense account rotate through the cost center, guys. So select that cost center now. Do we have to run payroll? Do we have to run payroll or not? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Sir, we need
Yes, sir. We need to run
update
payroll.
to WPPP.
Because the cost center is taken from the cluster, not from the input tab. WPBP table. WPBP table is a cost center. So that's why the cost center is stored. So if the data is reading from the cluster, then definitely you have to run payroll live run once again. Run payroll live run once again. We make a live run. I made a live run and I'm going to posting once again. Okay, go to overview, double click on the document, go to errors. Now you don't see that error, no cost center error, that is rectified. Okay, next. Look at this message first. Account with the following such key was not found. Account with the following key not found. Now what is it? So this is, you need to do it, you need to study like this. This is company code. HRC means expense posting. 1CW is a symbolic code. Okay, This is a posting modifier. So did we assign expense account to this combination? No, right? We have not assigned this to, okay, the HRC is the expense account. HRF, where is it? This is balance sheet accounts. This GL is there should be a GL, which is a balance sheet mapped to the symbolic code. That's what it is showing. Because the symbolic code is of which type? Balance sheet, right? HRF is called balance sheet posting. HRC is expense posting. So account is missing for these components. Okay, so let's maintain them. How do we maintain them? Again, Excel sheet is a base. Okay, so take this part into separate tab. Okay, now we have various types. And symbolic codes. This is E1, right? So these are expense accounts posting. Right? Okay. And E2. E2. These are the accounts. So this is HRC transaction. This mapping is missing. That's an error. Next. Balance sheets. And E2 also same GLs. This is a balance sheet posting. So these entries are missing in the document. Okay, this is HRF.
Sir, one symbolic is mapped with expense 1200 series GL, and same symbolic is again tagged with 1300 also. So it is not create a issue, sir. Because it is a one-to-one mapping with symbolic to GL.
What is the purpose of this modifier?
Sir, it will be confusing me, sir. If you please clarify it.
No. Did you listen to this class yesterday? Modifier.
Sir, I
What is
listened
the
to.
purpose of the modifier? Why are we using this modifier? Anyone?
Sir, you said this is for same waste time we need to post for a different company, then we need to use for this to post for other GLs. We no need to, right?
So one symbolic code, I have one account for the salaried employees, another account for
Yes,
hourly
sir.
employees. Then what is the issue here?
Yeah, sir, no problem. Yeah, yes, 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 sir, no problem. Yes. Right.
So after maintaining the posting characters, what is the next step, guys? Do you remember the steps? Activities in accounting system.
Sir, after that you have to go into the activities in HR system and we have to assign the GLs.
We have to assign symbolic accounts to the GL, sir.
Assign expense accounts, assign balance sheet account. This is HRC transaction, this is HRF transaction. But before that, it is asking us the chart of accounts. Okay. So company code is, every company code is part of chart of accounts. Or the GL accounts of every company code are part of chart of accounts. Okay. Where do you find the chart of accounts of your company code? Financial accounting new, global parameters, enter the global parameters of the company code. IN52. This is there by default when you copy from the model company code. So what is the chart of account? INT1. Clear? INT1. So in this table, you will see the chart of accounts field. So this company code uses the chart of accounts INT1 in IDS. For USA, it is CAUS. Okay. For USA, if you are working, we are working on USA, right? So same. Financial accounting new. Okay. Financial accounting global settings and global parameters. Enter global parameters. MU48 is my company code for USA. Check the chart of accounts. It is CAUS. Okay, CAUS. Now go back to posting. First, expense posting. CAUS. HRC. Transaction. HRC. Transaction. So what we need to do? And this transaction code is OBYE, guys. Directly you can use OBYE transaction. OBYE T code. Okay. This is HRF. OBYG T code. Okay. So first HRC transaction. Copy them. Go to new entries. 1C04 E2 post. Now look at that message carefully. This GL account is not created in accounting section. That's what the warning is. This is also not created. All these errors we are going to face now.
Sir, finance side, these GLs are not created, right?
Yeah. Not created. Okay. Save it. Now execute the posting once again. See how many errors are rectified. Now the GLs are appeared for the expense postings, but not balance sheets. And for the expense posting, you will see the cost center. Okay. Now look at the errors. Now what is left? Balance sheet postings. Let's complete that also in OBYG transaction. So go to HRF transaction. This one. Okay, go to HRF transaction, go to new interest. Again, these accounts are missing. Okay, again go to okay. Again, errors are there. For some of them, errors are there. Clear. Look at the errors now. Errors are solved. So why is system showing only few accounts here? Because we don't have a waste types which are posted to other GL accounts. So for this employee, if you create these accounts in the accounting section, okay, issue will be solved. But we have to make sure all these accounts are available, okay, in accounting side, because our current employee may not have all waste types, but other employees have the waste types. So we have to keep all these accounts ready in the accounting section, which is a job of finance consultant. So how do we create this one? Okay, now you need to remember which one is GL, which one is expense account. Okay, looking at this first one, expense account creation. So now I'm showing you the GL account creation. Go to FS01, transaction code FS01.
Sir, is it FS00, sir?
Don't confuse me. FS01. Go to FS01. Okay. So now give the GL account and the company code. Click on enter. It says does not exist. Okay. Create. Okay. Account group. account group GL. Account group GL. Okay. Now this GL description we need to give it in a meaningful way. Suppose I mean this will they will maintain it according to their the balance sheet presentation. Okay. So I will maintain it like a wages. Maintain a group account number. Maintain a group account number. Maintain a group account number. Let's say anything, administrative expenses or payments. Is there any salaries expense? This one. Okay. You can maintain any number, no worries. Okay. Select PL and statement. PL statement account means expense account. Expense account. GL tab. Any description, group account number, control data, currency. Okay, currency, and create bank interest. Save it. Okay. Check. Next one. What is the next one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. GL. I'll say this is uniform allowance. Same description. USD and this one. Save it. 3. Enter. Same. Currency. GL. Expense account. Other allowances. Don't create in real time. Okay. You are not the one who has to create it. If your client has a finance implemented, those who are working in ADP, they have to create the GL code whenever we get such a requirement. Next, this one is different, right? Expense accounts. These three are balance sheet accounts. Okay. That's it. Next, balance sheet accounts. The balance sheet accounts, you need to choose this. Okay, choose this. Employer expense. This might have been already created in other chart of other company codes in the no shit. Yeah. Where is it? Balance sheet account 22001. Okay. Create one. Balance sheet GL employer contributions. Okay. Similarly, 3340. Okay, we still got some errors to fix. So this one, not found. What is this error message? Account is not in the chart of accounts. 12401. And this one again not found. This is again a balance sheet account 3440. Okay, so what are the other errors? Scroll on. Now you see cost element is missing. If you notice, this cost element is only shown for expense accounts, not for balance sheet accounts. So this cost element category is compulsory to maintain for every expense account. I did not show you because I wanted to get this error and show you then. Okay. So when you create a expense account, once you created it, there is something called cost element. Edit cost element. Edit cost element. You go to here. cost element category, save it. Okay, cost element category, save it. Okay, next 1240s, cost element category, enter, save it. Or else easier way is go to KA01, take one by one, 2, maintain 1, save it, 3, maintain 1, save it, like this. Five, 6. You see no errors. This is the document that you need to get. Okay. Again, sometimes you will get errors on number ranges. Errors on number ranges. Document number ranges. So document number ranges, again you need to go to FI document number range. FBN1. CO document number range. You need to make sure these document number ranges are configured. K and K. Okay, look at this. Okay. See, for 2021, the document number range is already configured. 01. K and K, controlling area document number range, cost center document range. Okay. So you go to your controlling area is what? 2000, right? So you will see controlling area document number range. Okay. So these are the settings that are required because you are using the standard company code copied from the standard one, model company code. Controlling area you are using from the standard one only. So these entries are available, but in real time, if it is a new implementation, if FI finance people did not configure them, you need to get it done. Okay. Now, no errors. No errors. Go to document once and check the document. Are there any other messages or errors? No. Okay. Now you can go back and make a live run. Okay, make a live run. So payroll posting, no errors. Okay. Go to document overview, see if any errors are there. No errors are there. Okay. So how do we post it? It's a live document created. How do we post it? And one more important point, I told you, line items, this is a HR document, guys, okay? Not a finance document. HR side of document, posting document. So if you go to the document, this is how you see each line item for a symbolic codes. You can expand it, select all and display. You can expand it here. Okay. Which way is tab? Which way is tab from how much amount is coming? So you can remove the total subtotals based on the GL code if you, okay, subtotals based on the GL code. For example, for validation, This is how we can see the document.
Sir, balance sheet cost centers are not coming only for expense account, as you said. Na? Two series.
Come again.
Sir, I'm saying cost centers are coming only for expense accounts. Balance sheets are also not coming in this document out.
30 minutes back I told you, right?
Right. So it was confusion actually there. It is removed today.
Cost center is posted to which account side? Which accounts?
Sir, expense side.
Why are you expecting a cost center for the balances? Balance sheet. Is it a cost to the company?
Right, sir. Right, sir. But it was not clear. Right.
Now, okay. So go to posting run overview. Posting run overview, which is PCP0 transaction. Remember the run number, posting run number 4145. Go back. There is a transaction code to see all the history of documents. Go to PCP0. And you see there are many times you made a trial runs. Okay, incorrect documents created. This user ID. And we have this tick mark means simulation runs. Simulation runs. Okay, these are simulation runs. Untick is live run. And we have the statuses, posting statuses. 90 is incorrect documents. Okay, look at this post statuses. 31 document created. 90 documents are incorrect. Okay, 50 documents posted. Okay, documents released. Like we have a various statuses here. Now, to post this document 4145, guys, we have to first release it. Currently, the status is only document created. Now we need to release it. How do we release it? Double click on it. You will see the document. Okay, same document, just we have seen. And for every company code, separate document created here, guys. If you are running a payroll for multiple company code employees, for every company code, the balance sheet document is separate. Okay, select it and click on this icon, release document. So you can do this step in a document overview also. Okay, I'm doing it here now. Document released. Okay, document released. Next, go back. Now you see status 32. Earlier it was 31. Documents created, now 32. Documents released. Only the documents with the status 32 can be posted to the finance. So select this now. Select this. Okay, and click on post documents. Click on post documents. Immediately the documents are successfully posted. Okay, posted. So the posted documents history you will not see here. Okay, it is hidden. 4145 is posted. It is not shown up here. You can see them here by deleting that filter. Remove every filter and show every document. Now you see the documents posted appeared here. Okay, so if you again go to double click on it, documents are posted, you don't need to do anything. Okay, Select this, go to accounting documents, guys. Accounting documents. You can take the screenshot, send it to the finance admin. Okay. This is where GL accounts are posted. This is where the cost centers are posted, controlling document. Clear? So if you want to view the document, double click on it. This is the transaction code FB.
Sir, it's a FBL3L.
It's FB03. So you can go to FB03. You can see this document number. You can search it based on the document number. You can see every GL code posted. Okay. If you want to see each and every individual GL, separate GL, let's say cost center also. If you want to see the cost center document, controlling area document, here you see how cost centers are posted. Each cost center, how much amount updated. Each cost center, how much amount updated. This transaction code KSB5. KSB5. Okay, so when you give this screenshot of this number, document number ranges, they will validate using this document numbers. Okay, this document number screenshots. Okay, if you want to check the balance of one GL account, if you want to check the balance of one GL account, go to FS10N. Okay, you created this one for the basic pay for the year 2021. You can see the balance posted for one GL code, which is a basic pay. Clear? Okay, which month? January month. So this account is debited. Next one. This is all finance related transaction codes debited with the 4,000. So individual account view, this one is. Okay. Now, for example, the posting is completed. Okay, posting to finance is completed. Let's say the cost centers are incorrect, or the GL codes assignment, the GL codes given to the payments or deductions are incorrect. You found it after posting the amount to the finance. Okay, so you can reverse the document using same transaction PCP0. Okay, to see the documents that are already posted, filtered, delete filter. You will see the documents posted. Select it, edit, reverse postal. What happens is when you do this, every account debited earlier now credited with the same amount, with the same document. Now you see two documents created here for this. One is original document and the one is reversal document. Original document is crediting the amount 12450 is debiting the amount. Reversal document crediting the amounts. You see, credit side posted. Earlier credited value now debited post side. So balances will be tallied. Now if you look at the document or balance sheet expense account, one account, FS10N, any account, what do you notice here? Anyone?
Sir, debited and credited, sir. So the value became 0.
The balance becomes 0. Okay. Now you correct the GL codes or the cost centers and do the posting once again. Okay, if you maintain a cost center, you have to run the payroll run again. But if the bank transfer is already executed with pre-DME, You cannot run the bank transfer again, payroll run again. What you can do is change the cost center. If you change the cost center, automatically in the next payroll run it will go for retro. Okay, earlier debited values now created in the cost center, and latest cost center will be debited. Okay, system does it automatically in the for the reporting purpose. If you change the symbolic codes, or sorry, GL codes only, not cost center, then you can run the posting now itself. You go to posting once again for the same employees. Do the posting for the same period once again. Okay, again posting run overview, release it, come back and post it. What happens now? New GLs are posted. New GL accounts are posted. So if you go to FS01N, FS10N, okay, because I did not change the GL, again it posted 4,000, so the balance is 4,000. Yeah, so this is called reversal posting. Reversal posting. Next one. With this, posting concept is completed. Okay, there are additional things that we need to learn. Cost distribution. Now what you need to do is create 3 cases while practicing if you want to learn cost distribution. The impact of InfoDAP 27. Okay, create cost center 1, maintain 10%. Create cost center 2, maintain 20%. Okay, in InfoDAP 1 we have a cost center. In InfoDAP 1 we have a master cost center, which is K. Now run the payroll for this employee and see the posting. What happens in the posting? You need to observe this. There is no additional configuration for this. Okay, it's the same configuration. Only thing is create InfoDAP 27 with this percentages, and you will notice cost center reporting, how the cost distribution split. What is the importance of InfoDAP 27? You will understand it. Same employee that you worked on for the posting purpose, in the second month you create a cost distribution. Okay, you will see the split. And now I want to audit the entire configuration. Okay, entire configuration audit. For example, this is required in a case where the shift premium waste tab GL code is changed. Client is changing the GL code for the shift premium. Client is changing the GL code for the shift premium. So one way is you can go to SM30 and find out what is the shift premium symbolic code. What is the shift premium symbolic code? It is 1C06. Now client is changing the GL code. He wants to change the GL code. So for 1C06 HRC transaction, you go there and then change the GL code. Where do you change it?
OBYE.
OBYE. So we go to the transaction code OBYE and then change it. Okay. You go to the, why is it display? Here. 1C06 for a E1. You change it here. But how would you know if 1C06 is not assigned to any other waste types? There is a possibility, right? The client is changing, we need to change the GL code for the shift to premium. But if you change it to 1C06, that 1C06 symbolic code may be assigned to other waste types as well, right? So this report will help you to evaluate that. Note down this report, GL code, entire GL code configuration, you can say, you can check here, TC00 underscore M99 underscore DKYN. Okay, go to this report, give all your waste types here, whatever the waste types you have in your implementation. Okay, next, give your company code. You don't want these postings, payroll results posting only, and display it in a table format. Okay, table format. Now execute it. Complete configuration you can see here. Okay, waste types, unnecessary columns you can remove, guys. Okay, country grouping, I don't want this, and description of symbolic code, I don't want this. Account tab, okay, special processing, no. Modifier, company code anyway is selected, why would we need it here? That's it. Okay, now your modifiers are what? Posting modifiers,
E1 and E2.
E1 and E2. What is this column? Here, this column. Select it. Select only E1 and E2, nothing else. See, now 1C06 shift to premium. We have 1C06. Is it assigned to any other waste type? You can verify it clearly here. Okay. And what I suggest you is take this document into Excel sheet, keep it with you. Because if you are supporting for one customer, this is the entire posting configuration, right? Okay, take this document, posting document, keep it with you for your validation anytime in the future. Clear? Okay, so you can easily identify which waste type, which symbolic code, which GL code. Isn't it the entire configuration, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this will help you. Now what do you need to do? You can change the symbolic code, GL code of this in OBYE. Okay, if retrospective differences are to be posted to a new GL code, what do you need to do is create a new symbolic code, delimit in this table. Create a new symbolic code, guys. Okay, create a new symbolic code. Go to this table, waste type table. Shift to premium. Here, delimit. This new change is effective from 01/03/2022, for example. Okay. Now, previous. Hello. There are two entries here if you notice. One is valid until 28 February, another one is valid until this one. Here you change the new symbolic code. Let's say 1C, 1C10, and then go to OBYG table. After maintaining 1C10 here, go to expense account, go to OBYG and maintain it. Okay, so whenever GL changes come, you will have to maintain it like this. Another thing here, this table, very sensitive table. 2 points you need to remember about these tables, HRC, HRF. First point, if you make any change in this table, it is not like only your change is moved to the the quality system. It is entire table replacement, like a feature. Okay, for example, there is somebody else have configured 10 entries. He did not move his configuration. It is in development. Now you went to this table and you added one element here, one entry here and saved it. The entire table is saved in your transport request. So this table will go and override the quality table, and then the same table will go and override the production table. Okay, this is a table transport. So every time if you are moving these changes from development to quality, quality to production, before you move the changes to the production, take the backup of production table. Take the backup of production table. Okay, after that only you move it, because you are not only taking your changes, you are taking somebody else's changes in the system. Okay, that is the first thing, table transport, guys. Not just your entry. Don't think that you are taking only your entry. You must compare. The right practice is you ask the client to open this table directly in production, so that the transporting issues and all, you will not have this kind of transporting issues. Keep this table open in a production environment directly and give access to only consultants. Yeah, if there are multiple countries implementations, then this table will be a mess. Second thing, if you change these rules, hiding and activating the posting modifier column. For example, here I don't see employee group modifier column, but you want to maintain it. You want to maintain it, and you go to rules and then tick it. Now remember this: if you change this character, all previous entries will be deleted from this table. If I tick this, all the entries that I have configured earlier will be gone. Okay, if you activate and deactivate those rules. So before you work on this table, you want to activate that column, you talk to the seniors or all other country consultants. Okay, so you need to be very careful. This is a very sensitive table, these two are. If you go to it, so you may see the table like this. Let me show you for vendor accounts, technical accounts. Okay, you may see the table like this. Okay, without a what is it, employee subgroup grouping modifier column. You want to activate the modifier column. That means you want to you are going to delete every entry that is already there in the table. So the solution is you take the backup and then change it after discussing with all the consultants, because this is not a first thing country specific table. This is not an entry transport, entire table transport. I don't know why SAP has given this like this. Okay, so don't touch these tables. Don't change the rules. Okay, don't change the rules. And if you are transporting them to the production, take the backup tables in the production system. Backup of entries of the same table in the production system. This is another important point about these tables. Okay. In ADP environment, those who are working in ADP environment, this table configuration is done directly in the production. Remember this. These three tables configuration is directly in production. Creating a symbolic code, assigning a symbolic code to the waste tab is a development activity, and then we transport to production, quality and production. But maintaining accounts to the symbolic codes is production activity. Okay, in ADP servers. Okay, because this transports create a mess. Is it clear to all of you? So complete posting to finance. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you are getting any error, we will discuss in the next class. You bring me that error message or send that error message in the group. Okay. Now, somebody was asking opening of posting periods, closing of periods. You can see them here. Look at variant for your company code. My company code is MU48. The variant is 3000. So open and close the posting periods for 3000. Here. Okay, it is open until 2021. For the variant 3000. Okay.
Sir, do we need to post /566, sir?
That's what I posted, right?
Yes, sir. Is this needed to be posted?
If you don't post it, how would you tally the balance of second month? How can you tally the balance of second month? See, I have a basic pay here and net pay here. Okay. And current month, basic pay, again net pay. You are paying how much to the employee? 20,000. No.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So if you look at the credited amount, this is 565, this is 559. It is actually 30,000. Right? Is it the amount that is transferred from the bank? How much is paid actually to the employee?
So 30,000.
In what case?
20,000, sir. 20,000 will be paid. Last month
20,000
10,000
paid
and
to the employee. Last month we don't have a bank transfer generated. We actually
Yes,
paid 20,000, but posted is how much?
30,000.
So you have to debit this 10,000 from the same account or not?
Yes, sir.
So when you debit this amount from the same net pay, the balance is left. This is what
20,000.
actually paid to the employee.
Yes.
Any other question?
Sir, sometimes corrections also coming the balances, sir. At that time, if we don't find the like balance, how can we manage?
Which balance?
Posting balance, sir. Corrections and retro.
If you configure these waste types exactly the way I said, you will not get any difference. It's only when you don't map this /5 series properly, you will get the balances incorrect. You guys are saying, right, why 552 is posted, why 566 is posted. If you delete them, this kind of errors you will get. So you make sure all these waste types are mapped properly, then you will never get any error for the retros or anything, any corrections. Even if you are getting error, you can rectify them easily. You see the difference amount, and based on that you can rectify.
Yeah, okay, sir. Sir, what is the DME program to reversal for US?
It is not given for all countries. Okay, it is there
Is
in
there
most countries. Canada, I guess, some countries only it is there. So you have to write a custom program for that reversals, or else you execute a pre-DME every time without any backward transfers.
okay?
Sir, when earning is it not sufficient to pay it off the deductions, and as you said, the claim is generating. But in my case, as the employee is already left the organization, so how do we recover that amount, because that 561 is generating? No chances to that.
That's why we have full and final settlement executed after 2 months, right? We don't settle the amount immediately.
Sir, but they had already done the settlement actually, and everything has done. And in February, amount recovery is coming, some like a basic components, because of 1 day salaries like that. Balance
So
sheet
you
account.
want to recover that amount from the employee, or you want to rectify that error?
Sir, rectify that error currently.
Nullify it.
Yes, sir, nullify it.
Offset waste type.
Pardon, sir?
Generate some offset waste type. Maintain one custom waste type as adjustment and reduce the claim.
Okay, custom base type, sir. Rotating through 1415, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Because you can't do anything without you have a 561. That means you are not recording it in the next month. The employee will not be there, right? So what you need to do? So that 561 for another adjustment waste type.
Okay, sir.
In the same amount in another adjustment waste type, add to 561.
Okay. So, sir, here we have not Control record, we have not set it for the exit payroll, sir, for the live posting, as you said earlier. So that doesn't require in the, or it is because of only for live environment. For live posting, sir, we need to keep it.
Validate it. Some countries will see if the payroll is exit or not for the regular payroll run. Some countries you don't get error.
Okay, sir. Because here in Singapore, I'm getting that because in case it is not exit, it will not allow to the live run.
Any other question?
Sir,
Half cycle period, how do you post it, sir?
Half cycle is same. Why it is different? You have a same technical waste step and same amounts. Half cycle is just one earning, right? When you have a earning, when you have a net pay, you will have a net pay, and you don't have a separate configuration for half cycle. The only thing is when you are doing the posting run, you are selecting half cycle payroll type and the date, right? In posting also you select the same thing. It is just like any other regular payroll run. So what you need to do? Give the date and run it. Yeah, we will not have a separate configuration for the off cycle. It's the same thing. Only thing is earlier you left these fields blank. That's a regular run. Now you maintain these fields with the exact payroll type and then date. It automatically select the record and post it. So every time you run a payroll type A or a B or a regular payroll run, you need to generate the payments. Once you generate the payments, you need to post it. Clear?
and sir, that validation you said earlier, uh, some some payments are for validation purpose only.
Payments are for?
Sir, sorry, schema is used for validations and import for data also. So in that case, do we need to uh, keep a special indicator here for validate the payments or import the?
Validation payments,
Sir, you said that there are three uses for the schemas.
one is payroll run, another one is lazy data transfer, another one is evaluation run.
Yes, sir. Evaluation, sir. Validation. Evaluation.
Evaluation is not a validation. Evaluation is that run is the third party remittances.
Okay, sir. Only third parties, sir.
Yes. If you want to identify which payments are paid to the third party, we run evaluation run.
Okay.
So that is third party remittance concept that has a different posting and different payments clearing it. Okay.
Okay.
The other one is lazy data transfer. It's like uploading the lazy results for the periods in the current financial year prior to the go live. So that is used in the mid-year go live concept.
Sir, what is
Okay.
this mid-year go live concept, sir?
If you are going live in April, it's the financial year starting in India. Yes or no?
Hi, sir.
Okay. If you go live in December, is it a financial year starting or mid-year?
After the financial year, sir.
What?
Mid-year, sir.
Mid financial year, right?
Yes.
So at the end of the year, if you want to give a form 16 with all the details, do we have a results in SAP before December?
No,
We
sir,
will not
we
have
don't.
results, right? So what we need to do right from April to November results have to be uploaded in the system. So that is called mid-year go live strategy. cut over. Okay, mid-year go live. So you have to have those results from the legacy system uploaded into SAP system. Then only you can see the form 16 and the tax calculations happen properly.
Sir, is this only for the India or any other
Every
countries?
country has this scenario. Mid-year go live. It's their choice again. When they want to upload, they can upload. They have a option.
Sir,
in
is, sir,
GL,
is there, sir, is there
Yeah.
any way to locate a particular employee whose payroll is being posted from the posting document?
Yes, you have a personal number. You go to document and double click on the waste tab. You will see the personal number.
Uh, but sir, in the whole document, entries are from GL wise. So how do we locate, sir? Because it is a
GL
GL and consultant.
no, waste tab is there, GL is there, symbolic code is there, and also personal number is there. When you double click on the waste tab, you will see the personal numbers also.
Okay, sir.
in GL live posting, we will get a posting balance not cleared for the payroll. So how do we rectify that, sir?
Posting balance, we rectified that error, no? Posting balance not cleared. I shown you that error. So no, guys,
Yes.
I generated intentionally with the error. So we have a 961.60 something. The difference is coming. GL balance is not cleared. So what we have done, we check that amount, if any waste type contain that amount or not. Okay. Second thing, if not, divide that amount by 2 and search the waste type which has that result amount, and then posting balance clearing is not a big task. You can rectify it easily. Only thing is FI related errors are there. That's where the problem is. You need to discuss with the FICO and consultant, and then sometimes they say it is your issue, sometimes we say it is your issue. These discussions will go on and on like that. Posting balance, if you just follow that 4 formulas blindly, you will never get any error.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Any question from anyone?
Sir, I had a question from payslip. Can I ask you, sir?
Yep.
Sir, whenever I'm maintaining payslip, when I'm designing my payslip, when I'm adding additions of in Infotech 14, I'm getting an error message, sir. I have added 2 additions and 2 deductions, and I've tried it, but the error is coming while I'm designing payslip, sir.
You have a variant?
Yes, sir, I'm have a variant, sir.
Give me variant.
ZR00, sir.
What? ZR?
ZR00. So payslip design variant is ZR00.
Payroll variant?
ZRB1. ZRB1, sir. HR user 11 is there. Down.
This one?
Yeah. Yes, sir. 6A, sir.
A or X?
Sorry. 6X, sir. Sorry. 52 double 52 0000. Last 2 digits at 16, sir.
When you're creating a variant, create the personal number also in variant.
So
It is running.
actually, yeah, it's running. Now I deleted, sir. That I have made info type of 14, and I tried it. The error messages are coming, sir. So I deleted again, and I was trying for. I created one more employee, and I tried it again.
Wait. There are a lot of schemas missing here.
ZRP one, sir.
Where is? Why did you do this?
Sir, I have copied from US 00 only, sir. From standard schema only. Copied it.
This is not there, right? Hmm? There are a lot of
Actually, I
schemas.
copied.
Delete.
I didn't delete it, sir. I copied from the standard schema only, sir.
There are 4 schemas missing from your schema.
Okay, sir.
U00, if you go to, you compare your schema with this schema.
Sure, sir. Then I'll try once again with this schema, sir. Then.
You copy your schema with this schema and then deactivate this one.
Sure, sir. Actually, I was trying all the scenarios, but it's not coming, sir.
Okay. The last payroll result schema missing, import payments and direction schema is missing, factoring schema is missing.
Okay.
Okay.
I didn't check it, sir.
Okay. Catch you
Thank
on
you, sir.
Monday, guys.